How do I fix this Underwriters Laboratories light fixture part that's missing side clips? One of my light fixtures' recessed ceiling fell in the kitchen. It's a old thing that stays in place with these metal clips that go in the holes. What happened to the clips, who can say? Must have broken apart or something. As you can imagine, I would rather fix this one lamp than replace all the 10 lamps. But I can't seem to find anything about it online. I considered borrowing some clips from other lights, but some of them are already missing and it doesn't feel like a practical solution. Thanks in advance for any tips. Question from user Pedro at Stack Exchange. Answer. Thanks for the help, everyone. I looked in there with a flashlight and found one clip. It's not much but is doing the job right now. And yes, OL is just the certification, the extra information was in the can with the lamp itself. Answer from user Pedro at Stack Exchange.